Menteri Rangba ke Jela bapet ya katanat Public Works Department ba Preston Tensong menta ke sengi ula pelipat ba ya ke surak bat ke jingking thamai hadam umyam kabla shna kerpang na ke benta banyat ki bus night super bat kumju ya ki wei ki kali he. Kani ke jingking bajrong hinyo pusan mitar bat surak bat thamai ke badan R.R span riupo kilometer kadai ke badan haki benta basyapo jang ke jingking kali hadam sat kabla khang shipo di ki bus night super bat ki wei ki kali he banyat nagatay ki jingking. Hakani kesengi ladan langru u MLA ka Umroy uba Damanbat Lamare, Commissioner Secretary ka PWD Sanjay Goyal, Chief Engineer PWD, DC ka East Khasi Hills but ADC ka Ribhoy, SP ka East Khasi Hills but SP Ribhoy, ki engineer, ki tanat ki officer, ki nong yalam shnong bat ki padba nong shang shnong. Habakran haka jingalang uba Preston uliat ho, bahadian balakhang no iki bus bawan na kaleng, kumju iki kali he banyat na jingking dam kalami ka jingurt jingnam na kipat ba namar kalakta bahaya ka letkawan khamtam na ka benta ki kali kitmar.
Saman God! General Salute! Slammy! Just! Saman God! Buckle! Just! Saman God! Line! Dot!
Ki beladap, ki bus, ki nak super, ki truck, ki heavy loaded vehicles mo, ki klem yosho ban, ki klem yosho ban let daw ni usurok, ka poro ka lakta, ka jinglot jingsep, yaw malik ro, ya gitu ki kali lani ki kali ki motor, ki kali he lani ki bus, kala kam lut so namar, hang jaka ban let. Nane ban po sa Shillong ni hapandon kam yun usurak bypass ter kumne ban let na morong kanayang ban po sa Shillong ban kit kita kitiar kita ni ki boss pat ki bon ba ki yeng hangte hapo damsaj hangte namar bali ka daw kolong ba kimlong sore ban yait na gani ka jingking namar kadon ka jingthot igani ka jingking lene ka lakut ya ka snem lene ka warang tiga jong ka kumalaay ka company not do ki por manswana ne mandai tengah kini ka por nga so ban ay kublay ya deputy chief minister jong i ka jingyo i jingay ka jong i bat ka government ka jong i kila penmi ya kini ka jingking kanang baban suk kini ki bus lene ki kali he ki heavy loaded vehicle banayat na uni usurok nane siyang mat nga taray ki bus ro ki kalakam suk banayat ki kali rasulat bat kamtam kate ka ISBT ka jongi kanamlong sore ka bakenja kanlong no ka bahui hui nado na ne sa khamad dalalat yo ni ujing king yo ni surok namakat kini ki por ki bladep ni ka ISBT ka jongi ro hoy ngi sotho ka jakayeng jong ki bus ki bawan ki peru per ki state ki jela tambah kalong kenja no namar ba umlong raban yai tementa ikan men scam ni sa khamad kanlong functional ba bat ngas kanlong functional ba bat sa gawero ngayos nyo ka government kamudra no iya kan ka DTO office ro sini sa po building jong ka SBT nga try kum tayo kimudra no iya ka DTO office siya ka ni hapo ka SBT building tengah so ban ay kublay sir
the commercial vehicles to ply over the main check dam bridge due to so many reasons and recommendations made by the experts and the technical teams. So on the basis of that, we have to do the restriction. during the course of the restriction, a lot of requests, a lot of complaints reached to the government from different channels, requesting the government to find out alternative, to find out ways and means, and also to make sure that the traffic movement towards Shillong or outside Shillong should be to the nearest distance like before. So on the basis of that, we were trying to find out ways and means, and ultimately we identified that the temporary solution has to be created, and we decided to sanction this alternate bridge and also approach road, at least to shorten the burden of the stakeholders across the state. So friends, I'm so happy today. I think PWD has created a record that the project has started last year only. It's almost 12 months now. Today we are going to inaugurate this alternate approach, and I'm so thankful to the executive engineer of Umsning Division along with his team for being able to complete this project before time. And I would also like to add, there are so many similar projects which we would like to make sure that the completion is on or before time always. Kiperlok baik kani ka jingple ka jong ibenta kasngi ya kani ka surok ya une ujingking kan long ka jingkerku kamtam ya kituki stakeholders kiba hap ban ya na kani ka jaka man kasngi kiba kit ya ki jingkit ki essential commodities but kiway kiba ngi juong ki commercial vehicles nadu la syai kasngi nakaliang jong EDC Shillong ila issue ya katukan notification hakaba labatay benia ki ki jat kali ki bala banya nakani kajaka ngakermen scam ba ki stakeholders kin burom ya kani kan notification khnang ban like kanu kajing jia kabas ngausi kapag kerparo ya baro ki stakeholders sngau baha ban burom ya kajing penbait na kaliang ki traffic police jongi na baro arliang ribhoy bat kumju na East Khasi Hills kin penbit kin penbiang ya kalenti kayat kayeng khnang bakan long kabasuk kabasngan batru ngin na kenu ya ki jingjia ki bas ngausi ngasukwa ru ban pentip ang ni ban nakaliang joga government hakabedei bat karu sektor kombalaong i MLA badon burom jongi hang ni ka investment ngilaay kabapun hadu kata-kata tang hapo ka life hui trik jong kani ka financial year kabla debt ka bengiong ka financial year ar hajar ar pusan ar pun riu ngilala ban ay sanction na kabenta kisrok hakeleng saudong jong ka jela ka jongi om duna ya ka ar hajar sauspa kelur tengka